Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel and I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. One of my favorite things to do on this channel is to open my boxes that I order from online liquidation or online secondhand thrift stores, and then I come back 90 days later and let you know if I actually made a profit. So that's what we're doing today. We are doing a 90-day update on my Everlane women's denim box that I purchased from Helpsy source a few months ago. So if you want to see if I actually made money on this box, definitely stick around. So I will link the original unboxing video down below if you want to watch it. This is one of the more original Everlane boxes, I guess, from Helpsy source, if you will. They launched them and then they raised the prices on them, and then they launched them again with some different varieties. And this is one of the original ones. It was a 20-piece Everlane women's denim box. I paid $324 for the box. I do have a discount code that they let me use, so I probably got 10% off of this. You can also use my discount code if you'd like. The code is Oh Yeah. All you have to do is type it in at checkout, OHYEAH, or you can just click the link down below. I do have it listed below, and you get 10% off your order. They also let me use it for 10% off my own order, which is why the box was $324. My cost of goods was $16.20 per piece, and this was a 20-piece box. So if you like reseller content, certainly consider subscribing to my channel. I am catching up on my 90-day updates right now and through the end of the year. But I do have some more unboxings coming, more 90-day updates for next month. And I'm also for 2024 planning some cool strategy type videos and more informational type videos. So I would love for you to stick around for those as well. Hit that like button if you don't mind too. That really does help out my channel a lot. Okay, so typically with these 90-day updates, I'll talk about what has sold. I'll show you what hasn't sold yet. And at the end, I'll give you the final rundown. Did I make money? Did I make the profit I was expecting? And would I buy another one based on the results? So of this 20-piece box, I did list all 20 pieces and I sold 19. I do still have one left. The one that I have left, I just recently realized, and I was doing like a end of year, just inventory like audit and pulling down some unsold merchandise. And I realized that these were not even listed, which is probably why they haven't sold. But everything else, 19 out of 20 have sold. So I'll go lowest sale price to highest sale price, starting with number 19 here. There were a pair of the original Cheeky jeans. These were a size 32 crop, new without tag. I listed these in end of July, and pretty much majority everything was listed at the end of July here. I'm a little bit late on my 90-day update for this one, but these sold beginning of December. So they took a little longer than 90 days to sell, but because I hadn't made the video yet, I'm going to go ahead and include them. They were a $25 eBay sale. These had a lot of interest on all my platforms, but for whatever reason were like the last to go, except for the ones that haven't sold. They were the last to go out of this box. So when somebody finally offered me $25, I just went ahead and took it because I knew I was getting ready to close out the box. I was overdue for the 90-day update anyway, so it is what it is. That's okay. $16.20 per piece, selling it for $25. That pretty much puts me just about even. But the good news is if that's the lowest priced item or the lowest selling item, everything else sold higher than that, so everything else was profitable. So that's good news, at least. There was the Way High jeans in black. These were a size 27 long, new with tag. These were a $30 Poshmark sale. These I had two of the exact same pair of, which you'll see another pair a little bit later in the countdown. I sold the one pair, then I listed the second pair. That's kind of how I do it, how I keep my inventory straight. I don't mess with quantities and stuff on eBay or Poshmark just because I use list perfectly to cross post, and it's a lot easier for me to list one and then when I sell it just list another one on that same platform that I had sold it on, so that there's just another one available. It's just easier for me to do it that way. But the other one sold, and then I listed these and then they sold within a week. So it was only a week after I listed the second pair that the second pair sold. These were a $30 Poshmark sale. Then I had a pair of Curvy's 90 straight jeans. These were a size 28 crop, new with tag. These sold on Poshmark for $30 as well. These did take a little over the 90 days as well to sell, but I was okay with, you know, just taking the probably what somebody offered me. There were a pair of 90s way-high jeans. These sold on eBay. They took about 4 months to sell as well. These sold for $30 on eBay. They were a size 31 regular. And this is very interesting. Almost everything is sold, but a lot of the stuff really just sold recently. I'm going to say, you know, denim sales in the middle of summer are not the greatest. I listed this box in literally the middle of summer, July, end of July. So some of the stuff did sell pretty quickly, but actually not as quickly as, you know, some of my other Everlane boxes. But I think it is just because it is denim, and denim is a seasonally cooler weather item. So I've noticed a lot of these have kind of gone, kind of teetered that 90-day mark, if not over. So then there was a pair of 90s way skinny jeans in a size 27. These were sold in November on Poshmark for $32. There's another pair of original cheeky jeans. These were in black. These were a size 33 regular. These sold on eBay in November. Actually, I'm pretty sure these sold like during my Black Friday sale. These sold for $33. I probably put them on sale and then I sent an additional offer because of that $33 even number. And then here's another pair of original cheeky jeans in cropped black. These were a $35 eBay sale. These actually sold within like 3 weeks. So I probably don't have a screenshot for these. Interesting because they were the smallest jeans in the entire box. And I'm pretty sure they were the second pair of jeans to sell. So, you know, I think I said it before with the Everlane stuff. It doesn't seem to matter with the size. Some brands, I can only sell the larger sizes. Some brands, I can only sell the smaller sizes, like Abercrombie & Fitch, prime example. The smaller stuff always sells way quicker than the larger stuff. But anyway, Everlane, it doesn't seem to matter. Everlane, the bigger sizes sell just as well as the smaller sizes. They have a wide range of customer base, it seems like. Then I had the way high flare leg jeans. These were a size 30 ankle. These sold October 1st on Poshmark for $35. These, the screenshot might show a different sale price because these sold in a bundle. So $35 was the amount based on the percentage off the bundle discount was. Here's the other pair of way high jeans in black, the 27 long. These were actually an eBay sale. So that's interesting. So the first pair sold on eBay. That means I would have only relisted them on eBay, but then the second pair sold on Poshmark a week later. So, hey, well, it is what it is. But these sold in October for $38 on eBay. Here's another pair of way high jeans. These were a size 33 long. These sold just recently here in December 1st on Poshmark for $38. Here's another pair of way high jeans in a 25 long. These sold quickly as well. So these sold within a week on Poshmark for $40. There goes those smaller sizes selling quickly. Here's a pair of way high jeans in crop black. Maybe I had 2 of those. These sold on eBay for $40. I probably don't have a screenshot for these because they did sell. They sold in about 3 weeks, but still we're at the point where I'm over 90 days on the screenshots on that one. So it was a $40 eBay sale. You've seen the way high crop jeans already, so but that is what it was. Here's a pair of original cheeky jeans in ecru, size 29. These were a Poshmark sale, $42. They were sold in about 3 weeks. That doesn't surprise me because of the color. The white jeans were more in season back in August versus the rest of this denim. Here's another pair of way high jeans in black, size 34 long, which I have to say, I'm very impressed with the variety of sizes in this box. I feel like I got an equal amount of small, average, and larger sizes in a range from 27 to 34. So that was, or 24 to 34. So that was amazing. A lot of times you don't get that kind of variety in a mystery box. So I'm very, very, very thankful for that. These sold within 3 weeks on Poshmark for $45. Here's a pair of curvy, cheeky jeans in black. These were a size 32 crop. These sold on Poshmark, and these took 8 weeks. These sold for $45 though as well. Okay, looks like we're at the last 4. These are the original cheeky jean in a size 30 regular. They were a Poshmark sale. They took about 2 weeks only, and they were sold by offer $49, which means I listed them for $55 and sent a 10% off with the discounted shipping, which somebody did accept. These were actually new without tag. There were only a couple of new without tag. Majority were new with tag, but this was the highest selling new without tag item in the box. Okay, final 3. I've got another pair of way-high jeans in black, size 26. Again, smaller sizes for the win here. These sold in about 5 weeks for $49 on Poshmark. I have a pair of curvy way-high jeans in black. These were a $58 Poshmark sale, sold by offer, so I had them listed for $65. I sent the 10% off with discounted shipping. These were only listed 6 days, so it was probably the first person I sent an offer to. And the highest selling pair of jeans in this box was a pair of way-high jeans. These were a size 29 regular. These were new with tag, and they sold in about 3 weeks on Poshmark. And actually, number 2 and number 1 are tied for the sale price. So it really is a tie for number 1. I just realized that. These are the curvy way-high jeans in a size 29 regular. These were also a $58 Poshmark sale, sold by offer. There's only 1 pair of jeans I still have left. And like I said, I was doing an audit. I realized these weren't listed. So I did just relist them, and I expect hopefully that they'll sell soon. They are the off-white color, so maybe not. I don't know. They are off-season, but they are the original cheeky jeans in the ecru color, size 28 regular. So that's the only ones left. Probably my own fault. So let's see. Review of this box. I paid $324. My goal with liquidation type merchandise, so first quality merchandise, new with tag stuff that I paid up for, and I would say $16.20 for a pair of jeans is paying up. Absolutely. These jeans retailed anywhere from like $89 to maybe $139. So that's definitely paying up in my opinion. So $324, and my profit on this box as of right now is $639. I'm less than $10 away from doubling my money, which if I do sell this 1 pair of jeans that I have left, will put me right at that double mark. So was this a good box? Yeah, absolutely. I'm glad that this all sold off. I think the price point was appropriate for the items that were in the box. I think that Helpsy really did get it right on the price point. It was a fair price for them and for me. I do appreciate that within technically like 4 months, I was able to sell off almost everything in the box. I do like that, you know, when the stuff moves quickly and it doesn't just, you know, stay sitting around here. Would I purchase another one of these? Yeah, if they made this exact variety of box again at this price point, I would absolutely purchase this again. I know that they were kind of experimenting with the prices of their denim, you know, just based on supply and demand. They were selling out immediately every single time they would go for sale. So they raised the price. I can't say I blame them. I haven't seen the women's denim on sale or for sale recently. I've pretty much only seen the men's. So I would be looking out for it. I would probably pay the $16.20 again, or maybe even a little bit more, just because of how quickly everything sold. So yeah, I would say this was a good box. This was my desired results. And yeah, I would totally buy another one. So that's it for this one. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are you surprised at my results? Did you order this box? I know a lot of you ordered this same box, or at least if you could get your hands on it. So let me know how yours did. Or if you're still working on selling them, are they still selling well for you with us being in winter right now? Definitely let me know in the comments. And make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I've got it coming up. I'm so excited to share with you more 90-day updates. Please hit that like button if you're still here and you have not already. That really does help my channel a lot. That's it for today though, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.